Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay and Wallet. All right, let's begin. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone by searching for it in the app library. Inside, you can view Apple Cash and any cards already added. If nothing is there, tap the plus icon in the top right and select Add to Wallet. Choose to add a debit or credit card, then either enter details manually or scan your card using your phone. Once added, you can set it as your default or keep it as a secondary option. Next, go to Settings and open Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, set your default card, shipping address, and contact details. Enable the double-click side button feature to quickly access Apple Pay for in-store purchases. Apple Cash allows you to send and receive money through messages. Enable it in Settings and follow the setup steps. To pay in stores, double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID, and hold your phone near the card reader. So that's basically how you can use Apple Pay and Wallet. That's it for this video. Thanks.